Hi again. Today we're going to check out something really powerful, our AI assistant. If you're looking to take your visitor communication to the next level, you're going to love this. This smart little tool helps rewrite any kind of visitor message you choose, and it does it fast. You can use it for just about everything. Your welcome emails, follow-up emails, the thank you message visitors see after they register, even blast emails, drip campaigns, property descriptions, and more. Basically, anywhere you're writing to your leads, the assistant can help you sound your best. Want a more polished tone, a luxury feel, or something more casual and friendly? You just tell it what you want, and it creates a rewrite right next to your original message. Then, take as much or as little as you like, mix and match, or copy it over completely. It's totally up to you. And the best part? It's fast, simple, and honestly kind of fun to use. Let's take a closer look together. We're going to use the follow-up email section and show a couple quick examples of how this works in action. So here we are looking at a follow-up email. Now, this message is pretty good, but let's see what the AI can do to elevate it a bit. We're going to ask for a version with more of a luxury tone, perfect for high-end buyers. We choose that option for our instruction and send the AI request. And now, check this out. The AI-generated version appears right below the original. It took our request and gave us something smooth, elegant, and crafted for a luxury audience. From here, we can copy the whole rewrite if we love it, or just take the best parts to enhance our message. Once we've made our edits, all that's left to do is hit save. And just like that, our message is updated. Now to make things even easier, we've included some built-in instruction options. But here's where it gets fun. You can also type in your own custom instruction for more control. Let's try that now. This time, I'm asking the assistant to make this email feel like a can't-miss event. We hit send, and look at that. It worked. This new version has urgency, energy, and really gets that excitement across. Just like before, we can take the whole thing or pull in only the sections we like. Then we hit save, and we're good to go. The AI assistant is always right there when you're working with visitor communications, like on the email visitors page. You'll also find it inside the properties section. Each property can have its own welcome email, and yep, the assistant is right there too, ready to help polish things up. You'll even see it on the visitor thank you page. That's the one shown right after someone registers. Want to make a great first impression? Just fire up the AI assistant and let it do the heavy lifting. And let's not forget about drip emails. Here, we can pick any email in our campaign, choose an instruction, let's stick with luxury again, and send the request. In a few seconds, we've got a polished rewrite ready to go. Just like before, we can copy it in and save. So wherever you're working, email blasts, drip campaigns, thank you pages, property messages, the AI assistant is there to support you. It's your built-in writing partner for real estate communication. And honestly, it's about more than just sounding better. This tool helps you connect with your leads, show professionalism, and stand out in a crowded market. And that's a wrap on our tour of the AI assistant. We hope it helps you improve your messages, convert more leads, and grow your business faster. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see how you use it.